Hey, sir, sir.
The boss, Dr. Lee, and his henchmen are sitting in a car heading somewhere.
Yeah, boss, this way. Come on.
They stop by the roadside and wait. The assassin Rose and her henchmen walk down the road confidently. Dr. Lee checks his watch, looking anxious.
They took so long. Yeah.
Rose sees the boss and informs her comrade before approaching him.
Alright, boss, it's coming. Come here.
Rose and Dr. Lee begin their transaction.
Where my stuff?
Where's money?
Hey.
The henchman shows a bag of money to Dr. Lee, and he grins with satisfaction. The boss then orders his henchmen to show Rose the weapons.
Yeah.
Rose picks up the weapons and begins inspecting them. In the distance, a young man named Jack happily walks down the road listening to music. Dr. Lee notices Jack, and the young man soon crosses paths with the boss. Dr. Lee gives Jack a menacing look, scaring him into running away. Jack encounters Rose and her henchmen. Out of curiosity, he stops to watch.
Good on you.
Rose and the henchmen chase Jack away and return to inspecting the weapons.
Alright, got here. Check it out.
Okay.
Rose, satisfied with the weapons, orders her henchmen to hand the money to Dr. Lee. Jack hasn't left yet and is hiding behind a wall watching everything.
Ooh, wow!
Jack sneaks over to Dr. Lee's car and begins stealing the weapons.
Ooh, amazing!
Jack accidentally drops a gun, causing a noise. Everyone turns to check, but finds nothing.
Alright, nothing.
Jack quickly hides on top of the car to avoid being seen. Dr. Lee and Rose complete their transaction, shake hands, and go their separate ways.
Yeah, goodbye.
However, when Rose checks the back of her car, the weapons are missing. Dr. Lee hears the commotion and rushes over.
Hey, come here! Wait a minute!
Damn you!
What happened?
Where's my gun?
Everyone looks around but sees no one. Dr. Lee spots a pair of headphones.
Hi, what is this?
Meanwhile, Jack happily sneaks away with the stolen weapons. Dr. Lee recalls seeing someone with headphones earlier. Realizing what happened, the others grab their weapons and angrily go searching for the thief.
Let's go.
SWAT SEAL X is patrolling the road alone. Jack, carrying the stolen weapons, walks cheerfully down the road.
Nice, very good.
SEAL X notices someone carrying weapons and shouts at Jack.
Hey, put your gun down.
Jack starts running, prompting SEAL X to fire a warning shot. SEAL X catches up and inspects Jack and the stolen weapons.
Hi, who are you?
Dr. Lee and Rose arrive and start shooting at SEAL X, forcing him to drag Jack away to safety.
Push! This way.
Dr. Lee and Rose slowly enter the house searching for them.
Alright, let's go.
SEAL X questions Jack, who explains everything to the SWAT officer.
Go.
SEAL X tells Jack to hide. SEAL X suddenly charges out shooting, forcing the criminals to take cover.
Hey, SWAT!
The henchmen and the other thugs fire back at SEAL X. Jack, terrified, sits in a corner, clutching the stolen weapons. The gunfight continues.
Hey, fire! Fire! Hey, move! Move!
The criminals, hearing no movement, cautiously enter the house. The boss's henchman is immediately shot and killed by SEAL X. Rose and the other henchmen rush in and start shooting at SEAL X, forcing him to dodge.
Hey! Wait up!
SEAL X reloads and charges out firing.
Huh?
Rose sees him and returns fire, wounding the SWAT officer. In pain, SEAL X pulls out another gun and quickly kills Rose, who was searching for him. The remaining henchman charges at SEAL X, but the SWAT officer fires back, wounding him. Dr. Lee emerges from behind the house. Jack hears footsteps and turns to see the boss holding a powerful weapon. Inside the house, SEAL X is fighting the henchman, and the two engage in a fierce struggle. In a short time, SEAL X defeats the last henchman. SEAL X exits the house and discovers that Jack has been dead for a while. Dr. Lee, smirking, leaves with the stolen weapons. SEAL X calls out for Jack repeatedly, but it's too late. The young man is already gone.